Some stories begin with hope. Others begin with a single, heartbreaking moment, one that can be hard to watch. It was a busy market day in a small rural village in eastern Morocco. People gather here every week to buy, sell, visit relatives, and take care of what they need. During the summer, with so many families returning from abroad, the roads get even busier than usual. Amid the noise, the traffic, the crowds, a small puppy tried to cross the street. Three men sitting at a nearby cafe sensed something was wrong. When they heard the sharp screech of car brakes, without hesitation, they rushed into the street. The terrified puppy screamed in fear. He didn't understand they were trying to help him. Like so many stray puppies, his only experience with humans may have taught him just one thing: run. An injured animal is often terrified. Even the kindest rescue can feel threatening. Fear isn't aggression, it's survival. Finally safe, the puppy tried to stand, but something wasn't right. He could only move using his front legs. He was clearly in pain. And if it hadn't been for sheer luck, his legs could have been broken. Every small movement took enormous effort, and yet he never stopped trying. Young dogs are surprisingly resilient. Even after trauma, they keep trying to survive. As one of the rescuers continued caring for him, he discovered something unexpected. This puppy wasn't alone. Nearby, 7 other sweet puppies were waiting. Brothers, sisters, all depending on one another. Suddenly, saving one life turned into saving an entire family. With every meal, the fear slowly faded. With every gentle touch, trust began to grow. With every new day, hope shone a little brighter. Puppies don't remember kindness right away. Trust is something they learn, moment by moment.
Hello. Hello.
Just days earlier, they were suffering from hunger and thirst. Survival was their only goal, and now they were chasing each other, playing together, wagging their tails. Their playful energy was finally coming back to life, and at last, they were behaving like puppies again. Around the world, thousands of puppies are born on the streets every single day. Most of them never chose this life. They're simply trying to survive. If you ever come across an injured animal, stay calm. Protect yourself first. Move the animal away from the road if it's safe to do so. Reach out to a vet or a local rescue organization whenever possible. Even a bowl of clean water can save a life. This story was never just about an accident, it was about compassion too. Because sometimes, one single act of kindness doesn't just save one life, it changes the lives of many. Closing. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If this story moved you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It truly helps us keep rescuing animals in need. And if you've ever come across a similar story, one of hope, rescue, or a second chance, we'd love to hear it. Share it with us in the comments below. See you in the next story.